Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create folders on home screen on iPad 9th Gen. To create folders on home screen, just press and hold on an app you want to add to the folder, then drag it over another app and release. And now these two apps are in a folder together. You can add more apps on top of that, so you can have more apps in the folder. To open the folder, just click on it, and to change its name, you need to enter edit mode. So edit mode is when the apps are wiggling, and to do that, just press and hold somewhere on the screen. And now you can see that you can change the name of the folder. I'm gonna change it to utilities, and you can put apps on different pages of the folder like that. So you can have different pages for different things, or if they don't fit in one page, because you can put up to 16 apps on one page. And then when you're done with your editing, click on done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.